sunrise over a quiet city, time-lapse of people starting their day, jogging, driving, opening shops. Every day is a fresh start, a new chance to chase your dreams, to build the life you desire. A close-up of someone tying their shoes, then zooming out to show them running through the streets, focused. Success isn't given. It's earned with every step, every challenge you face, and every setback you overcome. Person working late at night, typing, brainstorming, collaborating with others. They look exhausted but determined. It's about the grind, the countless hours when no one is watching, the sacrifices you